So this is a kind of small overview. So in the sprint planning, the goal is, first of all, determine what we can deliver in this sprint. Second is plan how we will achieve that delivery. So as you see that we just role play that, what are the user stories that we want to deliver and how we want to achieve that delivery, like slicing into smaller, use smaller subtasks, taking in from the tester, development, UI, UX, and all that perspective. And the attendees are the Scrum team. So luckily we had all our roles. Myself acted as a product owner, then Zishan was acting as a Scrum master, then Khalid and Zia were acting as a development team in developer and tester. The third is the time box. Usually for 1 month sprint, the time box is 8 hours, but it means that it doesn't have to be 8 hours. The maximum time box is like that. For myself, the teams that I have worked with, our sprint planning did not go more than 2 hours. Even sometimes we have finished it in literally 30 minutes, because our sessions were so refined that we just picked and then decided it. The third is the approach is to split the meeting into 2 parts, what we want to develop, and the second is how we want to develop. And at the end of the day, the objective of the sprint planning meeting is that we have a sprint goal that we want to, what we want to achieve as a team. And then we have a sprint backlog, the backlog that Zishan was just showing. And then afterward, the next day, we start regularly with our, so here we see, we have the backlog. We created a sprint backlog, sprint planning meeting. In the sprint planning meeting, we created the sprint backlog. And then we had the daily Scrum meeting. Then we have the execution, and then the rest of the events happen.